Hello, my name is Brian Weeks, and I am a Senior AEC Technical Specialist for ATG USA. Today, I'm going to show you, in the newly released FormIt 2021, about energy analysis. The main purpose and intent of FormIt 2021 energy analysis is to provide high-level targeting and feasibility of energy performance from the earliest stages of the design process and help inform decisions about overall building mass form. With a FormIt Pro subscription, you have access to energy analysis with Insight, analyze early stage design models with Green Building Studio's analysis engine. You can connect to a dashboard view of your results of your design and compare options. Adjust the energy analysis factor widgets like wall-to-wall ratio, building orientation, and others. Summarize your building's energy impact with a single number calculated as a bottom line cost per area, and save your energy analysis results for future review with clients and other stakeholders. So I have FormIt 2021 open and a new project started. The first thing we need to do is set our location. So we'll go to the top toolbar and select Location. Type in your address and move the project point to where your project will be located. You have the option to either import a satellite image or to just set location only. Today we're going to import the image. As you can see, it imported the satellite image into our base. Next, we're going to draw our early stage design model. You don't need detail, just basic building forms to analyze. We'll make it simple today and draw an L-shaped office building at 75 foot high. It must be a solid. This is very important for the analysis tool to work correctly. Then you need to create your levels. Click on the right palette and select Levels. Click the plus symbol to add a level and a minus symbol to remove a level. We're going to add several levels and make their height 15 feet. We'll then rename the top level to Roof. After creating the levels, we need to then assign those levels to our building mass. Select all the solids of the model, then on the right palette select Properties. You will then click the box that says Use Levels. Select all the levels that apply to the form, and it will automatically attach those levels and associate them with that solid. We're almost there. That was the hard part. Now we let the energy analysis engine do all the work. On the main menu or on the top toolbar, you select Energy Analysis and Generate Insight. Depending on the complexity of the model, this analysis takes about 5 minutes. Once the analysis is complete, you will receive a pop-up letting you know. Then, to go to the website, type insight360.autodesk.com, log in with your BIM 360 account. You can also go to the top toolbar, select View Insight, and it will also take you to the website to view your Insight analysis. Your project analysis will be listed, and then you can start to change the model settings to get a more accurate analysis. Orientation, wall construction, window types, roof construction, and more are all easily modified to get a better benchmark. Once you've modified an analysis setting, the box will flip to show you a graph chart of your selection. So for example, if I want to select the southern walls of the project, I can select, modify the bottom chart to select what type of walls I'm going to have in my project. So let's say I can pick a range from 30 to 0 for energy efficiency, and then that changes the analysis, and then this will flip to show me the selection on the chart. You will follow through for each side of your building. You also select wall construction, uninsulated to 12¼ inch, wood, R13, R10 metal, multiple selections based on typicals in the construction standards and building analysis by the Department of Energy. So I'm going to select just a metal stud for now, R13. You can also select roof and your insulation value. I'm going to select R38. And as you go through and select each of these options, your overall analysis number and your benchmark comparisons will be modified automatically in Update. In conclusion, utilizing the energy analysis tool in FormIt 2021 can help you design more energy efficient buildings. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions, comments, or even requests for additional web content, please visit atgusa.com.